How to build a $10,000 per month AI agency using only free AI tools. 2026. Imagine waking up tomorrow and running a business that doesn't need an office, expensive software, or a team of employees. A business where AI does most of the heavy lifting while you focus on finding clients and growing your income. Sounds impossible? In 2026, thousands of entrepreneurs are already doing exactly that. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete blueprint for building a $10,000 a month AI agency using free AI tools, even if you're starting with zero experience and zero investment. Make sure you stay until the end, because one simple strategy I'll reveal later has helped beginners land their very first paying clients in just days. Welcome back to NextGen, the channel where we explore the smartest ways to build wealth using AI, online businesses, and future-proof income strategies. If you're serious about creating financial freedom and staying ahead in the AI revolution, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest strategies. Now, let's dive into the business model that almost nobody is talking about, but has the potential to completely change your financial future. Most people think making money with AI means asking chatgpt to write articles or creating a few AI images and hoping someone buys them. While those methods can generate some income, they're also becoming crowded because millions of people are doing exactly the same thing. The biggest opportunity isn't using AI to replace your own work. It's using AI to provide valuable services that businesses are willing to pay for every single month. This is exactly why AI agencies are becoming one of the fastest growing online businesses in 2026. Companies everywhere know that AI can save time, reduce costs, and improve productivity. The problem is that most business owners don't know which tools to use or how to implement them. They're busy running their companies and don't have time to learn dozens of AI platforms. That's where you come in. Think about it for a moment. A local business owner doesn't care whether you spend 10 hours completing a project or just 1 hour using AI. They only care about the result. If AI allows you to produce professional quality work faster than ever before, you create more value while spending less time. That's exactly how smart entrepreneurs are building profitable AI agencies today. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to offer every AI service imaginable. They create long lists of services including content writing, graphic design, video editing, automation, social media management, chatbot development, SEO, website design, and much more. Instead of attracting clients, this usually creates confusion. Successful AI agencies focus on solving one specific problem for one specific type of client. The more specialized you become, the easier it is for people to understand why they should hire you. For example, instead of saying you help businesses with AI, you could say you help real estate agents create social media content using AI. Or maybe you help restaurants produce promotional videos without hiring expensive production teams. You could even specialize in helping YouTube creators automate their content workflow using AI-powered tools. When your message becomes clear, clients begin to see you as an expert, rather than someone who does a little bit of everything. The next step is choosing the right niche. This decision can determine how quickly your agency grows. Fortunately, you don't need to invent a completely new market. There are already industries spending thousands of dollars every month on marketing, content creation, customer support, and automation. Real estate businesses constantly need property descriptions, social media content, promotional videos, email campaigns, and advertising copy. Law firms need professional blog posts, newsletters, appointment systems, and client communication. E-commerce stores require product descriptions, advertising creatives, promotional videos, and customer support automation. Content creators are another huge market. Thousands of YouTubers, podcasters, coaches, and online educators are searching for ways to produce more content without burning out. AI allows you to deliver scripts, thumbnails, blog posts, social media captions, short-form videos, and email newsletters in a fraction of the usual time. Now let's talk about the tools that make all of this possible. The best part about starting an AI agency in 2026 is that you don't need expensive software from day one. Many of the world's most powerful AI platforms offer free plans that are more than enough to land your first few clients. For writing and research, AI assistants can generate articles, emails, proposals, and marketing copy within minutes. Instead of staring at a blank screen for hours, you can create professional drafts almost instantly and then improve them with your own expertise. For design work, AI image generators help produce eye-catching graphics, social media posts, advertising visuals, and thumbnail concepts. Even if you've never studied graphic design, AI dramatically reduces the learning curve. Video creation has also changed completely. AI-powered video tools can generate subtitles, remove background noise, translate videos into different languages, create voiceovers, and even produce realistic presenters. Tasks that once required an entire production team can now be completed by one person using AI. Automation tools connect different platforms together so repetitive work happens automatically. Imagine receiving a client's request, generating content with AI, saving everything to cloud storage, and notifying the client without manually moving files between apps. These workflows save hours every week. However, here's something many YouTube videos fail to mention. AI should never replace your thinking. Clients aren't paying you because you know how to click a button inside an AI tool. They're paying you because you understand their business goals and know how to use AI to achieve better results. That's why the most successful agency owners always review, edit, improve, and personalize everything AI creates. They combine human creativity with artificial intelligence instead of relying entirely on automation. Another powerful strategy is creating service packages instead of charging by the hour. Clients love predictable pricing because they know exactly what they're paying for every month. Instead of selling your time, you're selling outcomes. Imagine offering a starter package that includes weekly social media posts, AI-generated graphics, and content planning. A second package could include short-form videos, blog articles, email newsletters, and content scheduling. Your premium package could combine everything with AI automation and monthly strategy sessions. This approach not only increases your income, but also makes it easier for clients to continue working with you month after month, creating recurring revenue instead of constantly searching for new customers. Finding clients is the part that scares most beginners, but it's actually much easier than people think. The biggest mistake is waiting until everything feels perfect before reaching out to anyone. The truth is, your first client doesn't expect you to have a massive company or years of experience. They simply want someone who can solve a problem efficiently. Start by creating a small portfolio. You don't need real clients to do this. Pick 3 different businesses and create sample work for them. Design a few social media posts, write a blog article, create an email campaign, or produce a short promotional video using AI tools. These samples instantly show potential clients what you're capable of delivering. Once your portfolio is ready, begin reaching out to business owners. Don't send generic messages that sound like spam. Take a few minutes to understand their business, identify an area they could improve, and send a personalized message explaining exactly how you can help. Business owners receive dozens of sales messages every week, but very few people take the time to offer genuine value. For example, if you notice that a company's social media hasn't been updated for weeks, you could mention that you've created a few sample post ideas specifically for their brand. If their website has outdated blog content, explain how consistent AI-assisted content could improve their visibility online. Showing initiative immediately separates you from everyone else. Another great strategy is using freelance platforms, but don't rely on them forever. Competition can be intense, and many freelancers compete only on price. Instead of becoming the cheapest option, focus on becoming the most valuable option. Businesses are willing to pay more when they believe you're helping them grow, rather than simply completing a task. LinkedIn is another powerful platform that many beginners overlook. Every day, business owners post about hiring, marketing challenges, and company growth. By consistently sharing useful AI tips and engaging with their content, you naturally build credibility. Over time, people begin reaching out to you instead of the other way around. Local businesses also represent an incredible opportunity. Many small companies still haven't embraced AI because they don't know where to start. Restaurants, gyms, dental clinics, real estate agencies, insurance brokers, and local retailers all need better marketing, better content, and more efficient customer communication. By positioning yourself as someone who helps businesses save time with AI, you become much more attractive than simply calling yourself an AI expert. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where many new agency owners lose confidence. Charging too little doesn't help you attract better clients. In fact, it often does the opposite. Extremely low prices can make people question the quality of your work. Instead of thinking about how long a task takes, think about the value it creates. If your AI-powered marketing campaign helps a business generate thousands of dollars in additional revenue, charging a few $100s becomes completely reasonable. Clients invest in results, not hours. As your confidence grows, begin offering monthly retainers instead of one-time projects. Recurring revenue is what transforms a freelance side hustle into a real business. Imagine having 10 clients paying you $1,000 every month. Instead of constantly chasing new work, you wake up knowing your agency already has predictable income. Consistency also plays a huge role in long-term success. Many people try AI for a few weeks, fail to land clients immediately, and give up. The entrepreneurs making 5 or 6 figures didn't succeed because they found a secret tool. They succeeded because they kept improving their skills, refining their offers, and reaching out to new prospects every single week. Another important lesson is learning how to communicate with clients. AI can produce excellent content, but communication remains a human skill. Respond quickly, ask thoughtful questions, meet deadlines, and always look for ways to exceed expectations. Happy clients become repeat clients, and repeat clients often recommend you to others. As your client list grows, you'll eventually reach a point where you can't handle everything yourself. This is actually a good problem because it means your business is growing. Instead of turning away new work, begin building simple systems. Document your workflow step by step. Create templates for proposals, onboarding documents, content creation, quality checks, and client communication. These systems make your business easier to manage and prepare you for hiring help in the future. When you're ready, outsource repetitive tasks to freelancers while focusing your own time on strategy, sales, and client relationships. AI continues handling much of the production work, while your team helps maintain quality and speed. This combination allows your agency to scale without dramatically increasing your workload. Technology will continue evolving faster than ever. New AI tools will appear every month, and many existing tools will become even more powerful. Instead of chasing every new platform, focus on understanding business problems. Tools change, but businesses will always need customers, marketing, sales, and efficient operations. The agency owners who thrive in the coming years won't necessarily be the ones using the newest AI software. They'll be the ones who understand how to combine technology with real business value. They'll know how to listen to clients, identify opportunities, and create practical solutions that save time and increase profits. Remember that every successful entrepreneur started exactly where you are today. They didn't begin with dozens of clients or a huge income. They started with one project, one customer, and one decision to keep moving forward. Every lesson, every challenge, and every improvement help build the business they have today. Don't let perfection stop you from taking action. Your first proposal won't be perfect. Your first client call might feel uncomfortable. Your first project may require revisions. That's completely normal. Progress always comes from action, not endless preparation. If you dedicate the next 6 to 12 months to learning valuable AI skills, building a strong portfolio, reaching out consistently, and delivering excellent results, you'll be far ahead of the vast majority of people who are still waiting for the perfect moment to start. The AI revolution isn't coming in the future. It's already here. Businesses are actively searching for people who can help them use these tools effectively. The question isn't whether this opportunity exists. The question is whether you'll take advantage of it before the market becomes even more competitive. Your future business doesn't need millions of dollars in funding or years of technical education. It needs curiosity, consistency, a willingness to learn, and the courage to take the first step. Those simple actions can eventually lead to a business that gives you more freedom, more income, and more control over your life than you ever imagined. If you found this blueprint valuable, make sure to subscribe to NextGen because we're just getting started. Every week, I'll be sharing practical AI business strategies, online income ideas, and step-by-step guides designed to help you stay ahead in the rapidly changing world of artificial intelligence. Leave a comment below and tell me which AI business idea you're planning to start first. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer your questions. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who wants to build an online business in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on NextGen. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep moving toward your future.